Breadcrumbing. Giving someone a little attention to keep them interested, but not wanting a real relationship. He sends one message every few weeks. He is breadcrumbing her. Don't waste your time on someone who keeps breadcrumbing you. Clout chasing. Trying to become popular by using famous people or popular trends. Some people make videos just for clout chasing. People said he was clout chasing because he kept talking about famous influencers. Ratioed. When a post gets more negative reactions than positive ones online. His post was ratioed because many people disagreed with it. She deleted her comment after it was ratioed. Catfishing. Pretending to be someone else online by using a fake name, photo, or identity. The photo on his profile was fake. He was catfishing people. Be careful online because some people pretend to be someone else. They are catfishing. Soft launch. Giving small hints about a relationship online without showing the person's face or name. She posted a picture of 2 coffee cups as a soft launch. His followers noticed the soft launch right away. Hard launch. Publicly showing everyone who you are dating. They did a hard launch and posted a photo together. Everyone was surprised by their hard launch. Sliding into DMs. Sending a private message to someone online. He slid into her DMs to say hello. She was nervous about sliding into his DMs. Red flag. A sign that something may be wrong or unhealthy. Lying is a big red flag. His rude behavior was a red flag. Green flag. A sign that someone is kind, honest, or good. Helping others is a green flag. She listens carefully, and that is a green flag. Love bombing. Giving someone too much attention, compliments, or gifts in a very short time. He sent her gifts every day after they met. That felt like love bombing. Love bombing can sometimes be a sign of a problem. Situationship. A relationship that is more than friendship but not officially a couple. They talk every day, but they are in a situationship. She was confused about their situationship. Throwing shade. Saying something unkind about someone in a quiet or indirect way. She was throwing shade at her friend in the video. His comment sounded like he was throwing shade. Tea. Gossip or interesting news about people. Do you have any tea about what happened? Everyone wanted to hear the tea. Spill the tea. Tell the gossip or share the full story. Come on, spill the tea. What happened? She spilled the tea and told everyone the story. Going viral. Becoming very popular on the internet in a short time. His funny video went viral overnight. The photo is going viral. Toxic. Harmful, negative, or unhealthy. Constant fighting is toxic. She left the toxic friendship because it made her unhappy. Low-key. A little, quietly, or not very openly. I low-key like this song. He was low-key excited about the good news. High-key. Very openly and strongly. I high-key love this movie. She was high-key happy about the news. Dry texting. Sending short and boring messages. He only replied with okay. That was dry texting. Dry texting can make conversations boring. Scene zoned. When someone reads your message but does not reply. She left me scene zoned all day. He felt upset after being scene zoned. Friend zone. When someone likes a person romantically, but the other person only wants friendship. He wanted to date her, but she put him in the friend zone. They stayed friends after the friend zone. Orbiting. Looking at someone's social media after you have stopped talking to them. He never messages her, but he still watches all her stories. That's orbiting. Orbiting can be confusing because the person is still watching you online. Ghosting. When someone suddenly stops talking to you without giving a reason. He stopped replying to my messages. He is ghosting me. She suddenly stopped talking to her online friend. She ghosted him. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.